Hi guys, here 10 minus 2 power 2 is 4 plus 8 divided by 2 times 4. Here 10 minus 4 is 6 plus 8 divided by 2 times 4. Here 6 plus 8 is 14 divided by 2 times 4. Here 14 divided by 2 is 7 times 4. Here 7 times 4 is 28 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 28 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority, this is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction is also equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. We don't have the bracket in this problem. Next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 2 power 2. We have to do this 2 power 2 before any other operation. So 10 minus 2 power 2 is 4 plus 8 divided by 2 times 4. The next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. Division and multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this division and multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is 8 divided by 2. We have to do this 8 divided by 2 before any other operation. So 10 minus 4 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4 times this 4. Here we have multiplication and this addition and subtraction. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. So 10 minus 4 plus here 4 times 4 is 16. Here we have subtraction and addition. Both are here equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right. Here left to right is this one. 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is 6 plus 16. Here 6 plus 16 is 22 is the correct answer.